Hello, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to the Grand Palace. So, things you need to know before you go to the Grand Palace. You need to wear a t-shirt and you either need to wear long pants or a long skirt in order to get in. Once you have those, good to go. If you don't have those, you can purchase them before you go into the temple. But once you get that, then it is a 500 baht entry. You can pay it by card, and you have access to the Grand Palace grounds. There's a lot to see. Walking through here, ticket here, and then you're able to see all of this, and then you go through this way, you're able to see all this, and you exit over here. I definitely recommend that you check out this palace. It's beautiful, and when you're inside, they have this really beautiful temple, and you're able to go. You have to take your shoes off and you can go sit inside, pray if you'd like, meditate if you'd like. It's really lovely. I did that. I sat in there for a little bit. They have fans too, which is really nice. If you're like me and you're not 100% prepared, I did purchase this Thailand t-shirt for 229 baht, which, let me calculate. Okay, this t-shirt for 229 baht is roughly $6.57, and entry 500 baht is $14.35. Again, I highly recommend that you check it out. Alright, I'm gonna show you some clips of the temple. Enjoy! The Grand Palace complex was established in 1782, and it consists of not only the royal residence and throne halls, but also a number of government offices, as well as the renowned Temple of the Emerald Buddha. After King Rama I ascended to the throne in 1782, the palace was built. There are mural paintings which depict the story of the Ramakien, the Thai version of the Indian Ramayana epic. This story is the battle between Tosakanth, who is the king of demons, and King Rama, who is a human being. This story tells about Tosakanth, who kidnaps the queen of King Rama, whose name is Sita, and takes her to Lanka city, where he hopes that she will fall in love with him, but she doesn't. In the battle that follows, Tosakanth asks his innumerable relatives and friends to join him, whereas King Rama has a monkey army and the great monkey warriors under his command. Finally, Tosakanth is defeated, and King Rama takes Sita back to Ayodhya, his capital city. The painting consists of 178 sections. They proceed in a clockwise direction, and the paintings were first done in the reign of King Rama I. Prior to this, the royal palace and center of administration had been located in Thonburi on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River. The new king decided to establish a new capital on the other side of the river. The royal compound has been known since then as the Grand Palace. This building was a royal residence built by King Rama V in 1877. The original design by the British architect Mr. John Clunish called for 3 domes over the building, but by suggestion of the former regent, King Rama V had them changed to Prasat spires. So this is the only building in the Grand Palace that mixed the lower part of the throne hall in European style with a Thai style roof. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate the love and support. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.